Hello, am I audible now?
Yes, sir.
यस सर।
Okay. Firstly, तो गुड इवनिंग, कैसे हैं आप सब?
बढ़िया सर, आप बताइए।
बढ़िया बढ़िया बढ़िया। तो फिर आज बताइए आपको क्या होने वाला है?
यस सर।
और आई थिंक जितने भी आप स्टूडेंट हैं यहाँ पे अभी, वो सभी सिविल से रिलेटेड है सर।
यस सर।
कोई अनदर फील्ड से है यहाँ पे? सोहेल जी, आप प्लीज रिकॉर्डिंग ऑन कर दें।
Yes.
डन। प्लीज म्यूट योरसेल्फ। सोहेल जी, रिकॉर्डिंग ऑन हो गई?
Yes. Deepak sir, I have start कर दिया record.
Okay, can we start now? ओके, तो स्टार्ट करते हैं। ओके, आज का हमारा टॉपिक है की टैब्स। की टैब सॉफ्टवेयर एक्चुअल में होता क्या है, आप सबको पता है कि की टैब्स क्या होता है, क्यों करना है, उसके बारे में हम आज कंप्लीट आपको एक डेमो देने वाले हैं। जिनको नहीं पता उनको सर्च के पता चल जाएगी कि की टैब सॉफ्टवेयर क्या होता है। एक और सॉफ्टवेयर इसके साथ होता है जो होता है स्टैट प्रो। तो की टैब्स क्या है, स्टैट प्रो क्या है, दोनों में डिफरेंस क्या है, वो सारी चीजें आज आपकी क्लियर होने वाली है। कौन सा सॉफ्टवेयर आपको करना चाहिए और ये सॉफ्टवेयर अगर आप करते हो तो आपको क्या क्या सीखने को आगे मिलेगा, किन किन स्टूडेंट्स के लिए ये इम्पोर्टेंट है, वो सारी चीजें आपको आज की क्लास में सीखने को मिलने वाली है। ठीक है, तो सबसे पहले मैं अपना इंट्रोडक्शन देता हूँ। मेरा दीपक वर्मा, आप जानते हैं आप सभी मुझे। ठीक है, उसके बाद क्या है कि जो हम करने वाले हैं, सबसे पहले मैं आपको बता देता हूँ कि अगर आप इस कोर्स को, जैसे डेमो आपका कंप्लीट होगा, कम से कम 1 से 1.5 घंटे की क्लास चलेगी, डेमो होगा, आपके क्वेश्चन आंसर्स भी होंगे। आप सोहेल जी से क्वेश्चन पूछ सकते हैं। सोहेल जी हैं, वो हमारे इंजीनियर हैं, उन्होंने बीई की है सिविल से और उन्होंने एमटेक की है स्ट्रक्चरल इंजीनियरिंग से। तो उनका बहुत ही अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस है ई टैब्स पे, वो लाइव प्रोजेक्ट्स भी करते हैं, तो आपको हर एक चीज यहाँ पे बताने वाले हैं। तो अगर आपको ये कोर्स पसंद आता है, अगर आप इस कोर्स को करना चाहते हो आफ्टर डेमो, तो वो क्या प्रोसेस रहेगा वो मैं आपको थोड़ा सा बता दूं, ताकि उसके बाद सोहेल जी अपना स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं। आपको क्या करना है, आपको मेरी एंड्रॉइड ऐप डाउनलोड करनी है, दीपक वर्मा के नाम से है जो। ठीक है, आप अगर मैं दिखाऊं यहाँ पे, तो इस तरीके से आप डाउनलोड करोगे, आप स्टोर पे जाओगे तो आपको यहाँ पे दिखेगा ई टैब्स का जो कोर्स है वो 2999 का कोर्स है। जो क्लासेस हमारी मंडे से स्टार्ट होने वाली है, ये आज का तो डेमो क्लास है, जो लाइव क्लास है वो मंडे से स्टार्ट होगी, रात को 9 बजे से 10 बजे का इसका टाइम रहेगा। और वीकली 3 डेज क्लास होगी, मंडे, वेडनेसडे एंड फ्राइडे, 3 दिन आपकी क्लास होने वाली है। ठीक है, आप ज्वाइन कर सकते हो। 25 to 30 टोटल सेशंस रहेंगे, ये इंक्रीज भी हो सकते हैं, ऐसा नहीं है कि इतने रहेंगे, डिपेंड करता है आपके कोर्स पे और किस तरीके से आपके डाउट्स वहां पे चल रहे हैं, उस चीज पे ये सब चीजें डिपेंड करेगी। कोर्स कंटेंट मैंने यहाँ पे डाला हुआ है कि क्या क्या यहाँ पे हम करवाने वाले हैं, और अभी सोहेल जी भी आपको बताएंगे कि वो कंप्लीटली आपको क्या क्या करवाने वाले हैं। अगर आप कोर्स परचेज करते हो आज, कल और परसों में, तो 27 तक अगर आप एक कूपन कोड अप्लाई करते हो, जैसे आप कोर्स पे जाओगे तो यहाँ पे कूपन कोड अवेलेबल है, आप व्यू ऑल पे क्लिक करें तो यहाँ पे आप कूपन कोड अगर अप्लाई करोगे ई टैब्स 500, तो आपको 500 का इंस्टेंट डिस्काउंट यहाँ पे मिलेगा अगर आप 27 तक इसको मतलब संडे तक अगर आप इसे ज्वाइन करते हैं। उसके बाद कोर्स का प्राइस वही रहेगा, आपका 2999 का प्राइस रहेगा, प्लस जो अभी टैक्सेस वगैरह रहेंगे, इंटरनेट हैंडलिंग चार्जेस रहेंगे, वो आपके यहाँ पे अप्लाई हो जाएंगे। तो ये तो ओवरव्यू कहाँ से आप कैसे परचेज कर सकते हैं, बाई कर सकते हैं। क्लियर? तो अब सोहेल जी आपको बताएंगे कि आगे इस कोर्स में एक्चुअल में क्या होने वाला है और पूरा डेमो आपको वो बताएंगे। अगर उनसे पहले अगर किसी का कोई क्वेश्चन है तो प्लीज आप उनसे पूछ सकते हैं, कोई भी अगर आपको क्वेश्चन। एनी क्वेश्चन? क्या हम स्टार्ट करें?
Shall I start, sir?
प्लीज अनम्यूट करके बता सकते हो, क्या हम स्टार्ट करें?
ओके सर। यस सर।
ओके, चलो फिर सोहेल जी आप स्टार्ट करते हैं।
Okay, you can ask your question after our demo. Okay, no problem. First see the
Okay, sir.
demo. Okay. Thank you.
एंड सोहेल जी,
Yes, sir.
प्लीज स्पीक इन इंग्लिश और हिंदी टू।
Okay,
बहुत
okay.
सारे स्टूडेंट हैं जो हिंदी में चाहते हैं, बहुत सारे हैं जो इंग्लिश में चाहते हैं। आप प्लीज दोनों को मिक्स करके ही बोलिए ताकि
Okay,
सबको समझ में।
no problem. Okay. I will use Hindi or English. No problem. First, follow the instruction while delivering my demo session. Okay. You will be keeping your mic on mute. Okay. Please do not disturb while delivering my lecture. If you face any problem, you can send message in chat box. Okay. I will reply. I will check it once, and if it's necessary, then I will reply. Okay. So then now we are starting the session. We are from Dynamic Struct Engineering Consultant and Software Training Institute. Okay, we are mainly dealing with training. Also, our few projects are going on related to the construction. We are from Nanded State, Maharashtra. My name is Mohammad Sohail Abdul Hafiz. I have done my BE Civil MTech Structure. Okay, I am founder and director of Dynamic Struct Engineering Consultant and Software Training Institute. Okay, I am familiar with different civil engineering software, especially ETABS, SAFE, RCDC, StatPro, SAP 2000, and another softwares. Okay, but now in this our course we are dealing with only ETABS. Okay, now you should know about the different civil engineering courses. Okay, so the civil engineering courses are AutoCAD, Revit, 3D Max, Google SketchUp, V-Ray, estimation costing, Primavera, interior design. No, it's not a software, it's a knowledge. Okay, just mute your mic. So just everyone know about you are from civil engineer drafting. AutoCAD is a drafting software. Okay, then Revit and 3D Max for the your 3D work, drafting and elevation and interior. Okay, I will not go in detail about the another architecture software. Okay, just we are discussing about the structure. So see, another courses related to structures are ETABS, SAFE, RCDC, StatPro, StatFoundation, Tekla, and Revit. For Revit structure for the drafting purpose. Okay, but now few another softwares I will discuss with you. Some points we are discussing today: sample work of ETABS modeling. Okay, architectural drawing, different structural design software, role of structural engineer and architect, types of analysis, design steps for the new project, important concept, IS codal check, course features and structural design form. Okay. So like some ETABS models. Okay, these are some ETABS model. You will be working in that. This is a HARISE building model. I will be explaining in our session. Okay, if you are changing any model, concept will be same. Okay, I have a number of model. Okay, but at the initial level, you will not get all those things. So first try to understand the concept. Okay, everything will be similar. Okay, just few concepts will be different. So at the initial level, we will be covering these ETABS modeling. Okay, CSI software. Okay, CSI is a name of company, Computer Structures Incorporation. Okay, these softwares are ETABS, SAP 2000, CSI Bridge, CSI Plant, SAFE, Perform 3D, CSI column. Among that, ETABS is very important. Okay, especially ETABS we use for the RCC building design. Okay, we can also design few steel structures. Okay, but mainly we use ETABS. Okay, we can use also StatPro. Okay, difference between the StatPro and ETABS I will be discussing in our coming classes. Okay, after joining, if you join our course, then I will explain it. Okay, just I am giving brief introduction about the different software. And CSI also made the different software for the steel structure. Any question?
एक गन
Wait, fish. Listen, send your question in chat box. So, Sohail sir, I am from Pakistan. How can I buy this course? You can contact to Deepak sir. Okay. After that, you can communicate with me. Okay. He will tell about details about it. Okay. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in chat box. If my screen is not visible, then you can stop me. Okay. If my voice is not audible, you can stop me. So another thing is that, so we are focusing only about the ETABS. These the SAP especially for the steel structure. Okay, number of steel structure we can design in SAP 2000. CSI bridge is for bridge designing. CSI plant for the pipe design. Okay, like that. SAP for the footing design. Okay, what we can do in ETABS, beam, column. Okay, we can apply load on the slab. Okay, for the footing, isolated, combined, raft. Okay, raft with pile, everything we can design in SAP. Okay, in StatPro also is there like superstructure, but stat foundation. Okay, in the same way we are having SAP from the CSI company. We will be using in from next session or in after completing ETABS, we are going to conduct the course of SAP plus RCDC. Okay. After that, Bentley. Bentley is the name of the company who developed this software, StatPro. Okay. Another RAM, OpenBridge Designer. They are having different software. Okay. There are a number of companies. Not only Bentley and CSI are the company that who made the structure design software. There are a number of companies. Okay. So for the RCC or structure at the initial level, it is better for you to learn ETABS. Okay. So it is very easy for you. If you are at the graduation level, it will help for you for your completion of your project. After that, you can get clear your concept, or if you are pursuing post graduation, it will also help for doing project. You can also do. You can complete your project on StatPro, no issue. Okay. But why ETABS? Because ETABS user interface, everything. Okay, they are developing, they are adapting every year. Okay, some changes, whatever they do their changes. So it in comparison with the StatPro, so it is very good, upgraded. Okay, user friendly software in comparison with the StatPro. First complete the first level, then we will use SAP RCDC. Okay. So just now different software I am explaining. Okay. At the initial level, ETABS is best. When you are learning, then you will come to know that what is the importance and how it's easy. Like that, suppose you are using AutoCAD. Okay, you will get. I think most of the students from the Deepak Verma sir followers and student, they know the features of Revit. Okay, how it is easy. Easily we can make elevation, everything. So in that way, like that, ETABS is also better than the StatPro. Another software also available in the same way. Okay, we can also design RCC and steel structure. Okay, Tekla brand under the Tekla. Okay, Risa is also software. Another software for the structure designing. Number of companies are there. They only work like ETABS. There some companies those they use the StatPro. Depend upon their projects they use. Okay. Now mainly the people are using ETABS. So at the initial level you learn ETABS. After that you can also learn StatPro. Okay. Just brief introduction I am giving. So role of structural engineer. Before most of the students they don't know at the graduation level that structural engineer how they do in work in a consultancy. Okay, so you should know the role of structural engineer. Key task includes preparing reports, design and drawing. The role of structural engineer, making calculation about the load and stresses, selecting appropriate construction and material. Means construction material is that suppose client approach to you and he want to construct PEB, pre-engineered building, steel structure. So you should give the economical result. Suppose where RCC is economical or steel structure is economical. If you are having knowledge about it, then only you can give the economical result or economical suggestion. Correct? So you should have knowledge about it. Where our student joins. Okay. Deepak Verma sir will be explaining everything about the. Okay. I will speak slowly. Some student from outside. Okay. So I am using basic English. Okay. My English. So you can learn it. Okay.
ओके, डोंट वरी अबाउट परचेज। आप
हाँ।
मुझसे कांटेक्ट कर सकते हो,
हाँ।
डायरेक्टली मुझसे मैसेज कर सकते हो,
हाँ।
मैं परचेज के बारे में बता दूंगा, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं।
Okay.
ओके, एंड सोहेल जी
Yes,
थोड़ा
sir.
सा स्लो, हल्का सा स्लो,
Okay.
एंड हल्की सी हिंदी भी बीच में आने दो ना।
Okay.
उससे क्या होगा कि बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट हैं जो नहीं समझ पाते हैं, सीरियसली
Okay.
वो चीजें नहीं समझ पाते,
Okay.
थोड़ा सा हिंदी में भी कन्वर्ट होगा, थोड़ा सा ऊपर इसमें।
Okay. Sir, I think Nepal, yes, one student is from Nepal. I think they will not understand Hindi. I don't know.
कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है,
हाँ।
नेपाल से समझते हैं, हिंदी समझते हैं अच्छे
Okay,
से।
no issue.
परचेज के बारे में प्रॉब्लम नहीं है,
हाँ।
आप मुझसे कांटेक्ट कर सकते हो, मैं आपको पूरा प्रोसेस बताऊंगा।
Okay, no issue. Okay, so I am discussing about what is the role of structural engineer. Okay, providing technical advice, obtaining planning and building regulation approval. Okay, licensing with the relevant professional staff such as architect. You are a structural engineer. You will always be discussing with the architect. Okay, in a professional way. Then monitoring and inspecting work undertaken by the contractor. Okay, administrating the contract, managing the project, and inspecting the properties to check condition and or foundations. Suppose whatever you are designing, so your responsibility to at least your assistant should go there. Whatever you have given the drawings, their contractor is following or not. It's the role of structural engineer. Okay, so just basic thing, the role of structural engineer I have explained. Okay, the difference between role architect and structural engineer you should know. Okay, customer service retention. Okay, it is important for architect to develop social skills and manners since they are usually the first construction professional that works. So, they are usually the first construction professional that works with the client since they work closely with the client during all project stages. Architect must have the excellent oral and written communication skill. Okay, suppose, okay, Deepak Verma sir is architect and I am a structural engineer. Okay, I should have very good communication skill. Okay, how to means not only with the architect, suppose with your client. Okay, if you are architect, you should have good communication skill, you should be good presentable, everything you should be correct. Okay, you should convince the client. This is the role of architect. Architect must have design, plan, develop concept to the create construction plans, technical document. These are based on the client requirement and ideas. Okay, basic the difference between architect and structural engineer. Few points are collected in this PPT. Okay, research. Architect must have learned about the different building codes, safety regulations, construction innovation and city laws that affect their design. Since these regulations are in constant evolution and they must be stay up to date with new laws and requirements. Okay, suppose that quality will beautify, okay, will enhance the quality of the architect. Okay, suppose he should know the different building codes, different safety regulation, construction different techniques. Okay, suppose what are the techniques they are adopting. Okay, in metro cities, everything. Okay, technology knowledge. Okay, architect must be trained in the modeling software and techniques such as BIM, building information modeling. So this will help them to remain competitive in the construction industry. Okay, what is structural analysis and what is the structural design? Okay, applying the loads on the structure and assessing the internal stress in the component of the structure is known as structural analysis. Okay, so after the structural analysis, we will get shear force diagram, bending moment diagram. Okay, what we learn in our third year of graduation. Okay, after that, based on the analysis result, finding the suitable sizes, cross section of particular type of structural component. Okay, what the applying after applying the load, what we are getting internal stress, we get the shear force bending moment. Okay, then it will help for the okay design of your member. What reinforcement area is needed for your section? What should be the suitable size is needed? Okay, concrete is needed, and what amount of steel is needed to take that much load or to satisfy that movement. Okay, just basic. I am explaining the what is structural analysis and structural design. We learned in our graduation. Now, basic about the ETABS. Full form of ETAB is Extended Three-Dimensional Analysis of Building System. Okay, CSI ETABS, Computers Structures Incorporation. This is the name of company. Okay, under this banner they have developed. Okay, they have made this software. Okay, founded by. Okay, initially ETAB software designed by group of people. They were doing masters. Okay, they were masters student in 1975, Berkeley, California. Founder and CEO of CSI is Ashraf Habibullah. The man is now CEO. Okay, ETABS was used to create mathematical model of world's tallest building, Burj Khalifa. Just why we are taking the name of that. It's a proven. Okay, abroad everywhere this software is used. Okay, while designing high-rise structure, number of softwares we check the model. Okay, not only one. After that, what ETABS can perform. While using any software, you should know what are the features of that software, limitation, drawbacks. Okay, so we should know. The four parts are there: modeling, analyze, design, detailing. Okay, the modeling of joint, frame, 1D element, beam, column, braces, tendons. Okay, these are the higher concept. Okay, 2D elements, slab, walls, in shell. Okay, non-linear element, analysis of linear static analysis, response spectrum analysis, non-linear time history analysis. This such type of analysis we can perform. Okay, in ETABS, pushover analysis, buckling analysis, P-delta analysis, construction sequence analysis. This such type of those who are doing master means post graduations. I think they will be dealing with this. Okay, number of analysis you have to check. Okay, or those are in consultants. After that, design of steel frame we can design in ETABS, concrete frame, composite beam, okay, composite column, steel joist, shear wall. Okay, these are things we can design in ETABS. Okay, but in our course session we are dealing with RCC structure. Okay, okay. In the further courses we will be conducting for the steel structure by ETABS also. Okay, but it will take time. Okay, at first level we can't complete everything. You will not get it. Those who are fresher, those who are learning it at first time. Okay, detailing we can also perform. Okay, but we mostly normally other companies everywhere they are using AutoCAD for detailing, or they are having another software CSI detailing, or they are having DraftPin software is also there. They purchase it. Okay, but basic detailing whatever we will be explaining. Okay. Chat box में please tell me in chat box, are you getting what I am explaining or feeling bored? Tell me in chat box everyone, or just I am uttering. Tell me in chat box, just I have sent hi. Is it knowledgeable or is it? I will take your 1 hour. Everyone will be. Just tell everyone. It's good quality of good teacher is that to interact with the student. Okay, just not after on tell what he has prepared. Everyone, 24 students are there. Just this is the introduction. Basic thing I am telling you. I will also explain about the e-tabs. This is the demo session is for that you can interact with me. How I am explaining. Okay, how is my communication skill? Okay, how we have trained, how we are communicating. Okay, thank you. So then after that another thing is that so different IS codes. Okay, as we have learned in our graduation IS 456. Okay, 8 IS 800 2007 for dead load. I think you forgot those who have learned it, but how to use in the key tabs. Okay, then we will be explaining. Okay, how to use this IS code for the dead load, lie load, wind load. Okay, how to apply wind load in ETAP, how to apply earthquake load in ETAP. Okay, so learning structural designing is very important. Okay, you are having planning knowledge, everything, architecture. But suppose if you are learning any course about the structure, so your fear will be get removed. Okay, suppose you are in G+3 building in your colony, in your city or whatever. Okay, basic design you have done in calculation. Okay, most of the students they do not get enter in the structure because they think that structure is very lengthy. Okay, only few students those are having guidance of elders or proper teachers they entered in the structure design. Okay, otherwise they will think that your structure is very tough because we get fear in steel structure, whatever. So might be okay. Your concept, basic concepts are very important, but using your software, it will create easiness. Okay, within a very small time you can design it. Okay, it will help you. Okay, the difference between the calculation and calculator like that. Okay, so earthquake, another IS codes are earthquake resistant design structure 1893 2016 where to use. Okay, different ductile detailing for reinforced concrete structure. These IS code we will be discussing the criteria for the structural safety of tall building IS 16700 2017. We will be discussing some points while modeling such high-rise okay of building. Okay, I will be this is a higher concept. Okay, just few steps I will explain you. Design steps for the new project. Okay, what are the design steps? First is detailed study of complete architecture drawing. Okay,
E padre sono.
yes, just I am reading your message. Sanvi Chauhan. Yes, sir. If we design RCC structure in tab and structure, after that design there is need of any manual check because I think result will be over enforced. The structure will become heavy. Yeah. Okay, just if you know if you are designing by proper way, so it will not be get heavy. Okay, so you can verify your result by your manual calculation. Okay, just revise
So,
your.
sir, in every design we have to check manually.
No, no need. On experience, no, every design no need to check. Okay, you will get experience what
because
sizes of the column. Okay, by doing work in while you are working in consultancy. Okay, every time you need not to. Suppose you are you know AutoCAD. Okay, listen. So every time you will you means try on the means sketches. Basic sketch you will draw. Okay, after that you will
yes,
get idea.
Yes, sir.
You will get idea what is the
Yes.
means the area required for the toilet, area required for the bedroom, area required for the staircase. Correct na?
Okay.
Basic idea you will get
Yes,
every
yes.
time you need not to think about what is the okay. So after
Okay, sir.
as you complete one model, two model, okay, like
Yes.
that. Suppose what is the use of that? Ki suppose what sizes needed for the G+3? Okay,
Okay.
okay. So first complete the course, you will get idea. Okay,
Okay.
no issue.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Pre-stress, I will reply about it. Okay. So first step is detailed study about the complete structural architecture drawing, first step. Okay, preparing beam layout with the finalized column position. Okay, importing centerline plan in ETAB. Modeling in ETABs by defining material and section property. Analyze the model in respect of applied dead load, die load, SIDL. These are the 8 to 10 steps. If you are following that, you will get proper modeling, perfect modeling. Okay, we are training in such a way that like Deepak Verma training, we perfect every software in a professional way. How we model it in a consultancy, we are explaining. Okay, up to that limit we are teaching software. Okay, when we will take any advanced course after that, we will be increasing our level. Okay, may I know how many students learn ETAB first time from this list? Tell me in chat box how many students learned before, or just you want to first time you are learning ETAB. Tell me in chat box. Just when I am asking question, everyone will be replying. Everyone. 22, 23 students are available. Tell me. Your sir is asking about you. Okay, okay. Everyone. Okay, okay. Thank you for your messages. Okay, these steps is very important. Okay, so we will be trying to complete. Then, okay, preparing schedule of each structure element, beam, column, slab. Okay, preparing design report of site execution. We will be explaining. Okay, now we are entering about the first step. What is this? Detailed study of complete architecture drawing. Okay, so we are moving for the AutoCAD plan. Just yes, one request that why I am not showing my face, because my system will get hang. Okay, so might be you have seen my photo in my brochure or whatever, or my trailer video, because what will happen, I am opening number of files, ETAB file, AutoCAD file, another file. So what will happen, my Google Meet, it give instruction if you are showing video. Okay, so it will hang another part. Okay, okay. Just I am interacting with you. Now we are going for the architecture drawings. First, we will be taking G+2 for the modeling, G+3 complete. Okay, from that, देखो कितने भी typical. I am having hundreds of projects. Okay, in my PDF, but understand the concept. Okay, then you can make it. Suppose you are completing the course of AutoCAD once in 1 month or 1.5 months. Okay, you can draw number of plans like that. First, understand the concept in this course. Okay, you will get proper idea. Suppose first we will see, I am having different architecture plan on which we have worked, but I will not show that. Basic plans I will be showing. Okay, at the initial level, just suppose it is a G+3. Okay, complete. Suppose the plan ground floor, first floor, second floor, terrace, G+3 building is given. Okay, first you have to understand the what architect or civil engineer. Okay, it's the basic. Okay, so how he has planned that site. Okay, where is the bedroom, staircase, everything. Just you have to study it. Okay, so you can give suggestion where to apply the column to the architect, stability the building. Okay, so I am having another also plans like that. Just suppose we are getting plans from the architect. Suppose like that. Okay, such type of RS structure I have worked. Suppose you should read it, where is the bedroom, where is the lift, staircase. Then you can, after that you can look at the column and you can give the stability, where is the important. And if the architect don't want, suppose column he don't want anywhere, so you can give the solution that if you are not giving, so otherwise increase the size of column here. So this type of discussion, professional discussion happen between two or number of people, those who are joining construction project. Okay, so but now we have a discussion between structural and architect. Okay, structural engineer or architect. This plan, after that we will be locating the column Then after that you will be making beam layout. Okay, just suppose beam layout, such type of beam layout we have to make. Typical beam layout is of okay, you have to make it. Okay, how then you have to make a center line. What is the we can make a, there are number of methods to work in ETABS. You can draw the plan okay, by using grid. Okay, one method. Those who have used the Revit, they know very well. Okay, or other method is that make a center line in CAD. Okay, then you can import it. Okay, for the small structure, making grid is easy. For the complex structure, you need to make a center line. Okay, just I have made this just basic G+3. Okay, this is my, okay, I have made this, I have drawn this by using grids. Okay, or suppose another structure we are having, we have used the center line for this. Okay, so just basic okay, we are taking this project G+3, G+2 or 1 or 2 project for practice I will be giving to you. Don't take tension. I will clear your all doubts. Okay, this high-rise project, okay, this is also live project, this we will be taking in our course. Complete scheduling detailing of low rise, or you can tell G+3, you will get the idea. Same method you have to follow for the high rise. Okay, we will be explaining about the such type of schedule of beam. Okay, how to take the data from the ETABS. Okay, how to make column schedule, we will be explaining properly. Okay, how to make detailing. Okay, basic some important point we will be discussing about it. Okay, detailing of means slab, beam, okay, staircase, okay, everything we will be discussing. How to make slab schedule. Okay, Tajammul, I hear name of ETABS first time and pursuing BTech. No issue, learning software is very good and it's better. You can communicate. Deepak Verma sir will be giving my number. Okay, so you can discuss with me. Okay, at the end I will give my number also, or I will communicate with Deepak Verma sir. So just first step I have discussed. What is the first step? Just complete study of architectural drawing. Just basic thing you have to. After that preparing beam layout with finalized column position. Okay, आपको beam layout बनाना है. Just I have told you आपको beam layout बनाएंगे. हम बनाएंगे beam layout and कहाँ गया ये? Okay, इसके बाद लोकेशन ऑफ कॉलम करेंगे और ऐसा होगा. फिर another step is importing center line. I have told you that this center line in CAD, modeling of ETABS by defining material and section property. ये क्या होता है मैं आपको बताता हूँ. Okay, just suppose this is a basic structure. Okay, suppose I have define now material property. What we are defining? M20. Okay, grade of the concrete, grade of the steel. First step is define it. After that, section property, different frame sections. Okay, beam section sizes, column sizes, different sizes we have to define. Okay, after that, section sizes of slab. Okay, what thickness slab you want? Okay. After that, define of, okay, define every step of defining we will be ending. Okay, then these are the response spectrum. Okay, mass source, P delta. I will be explaining our course. Then load pattern. If you are designing your building for dead load, live load, or earthquake load. Okay, so the load cases. Okay, where different load combinations are there. Okay, how to define it, what is the importance of that, how to take from the IS code. Okay, this defining part is over. Then in the same way we have to do defining part of material. Different is a high-rise building. Okay, so we are having different okay, grade M35, M50, whatever. Okay, for high-rise we will be using higher grade of the concrete. In the same way, we are defining section frame sizes. Size will be different. Beam sizes 450, 900, 500, okay, 1000. Okay, basic idea I am having one Excel sheet. Just is a preliminary. Okay, key loading structure, how to take the column sizes, beam sizes. Basic concept we will be explaining. How to decide beam sizes, how to decide column sizes. Okay, so preliminary sizes I will be explaining. Okay, just concept we will be clearing. Okay, then after that here we have defined response spectrum analysis, importance of that. Okay, how to take, how to apply all the values. Okay, how to put all the values here. Okay, importance of P delta analysis. Okay, then load pattern, different load pattern we have applied, dead load, live load, earthquake load. Okay, wind load. Okay, everything we will be discussing. Okay, then after that load cases. Okay, how to do scaling, importance of releases, everything we will be explaining in detail. Different load combination. Okay, for Harais there will be load combination around 75 to 100. Okay, everything I will be explaining you. This is the first step of defining of material in ETAP. Okay, same thing I have shown you, I will be explaining about it. Okay, so it is as simple. As you will move forward, then you will be getting the concept about it. This is the first part. Got it? What I am explaining, tell me in chat box. Yes. Dekho, we are having brand of, suppose Stat, Tekla, another. There are not only two software. There are number of softwares are there. Okay, it's a similar like that. Just graphical advancement is better than StatPro. Understood? It's the same like a StatPro. But you are working as a structure, if you want to join any structure consultancy, it's better to learn number of software. It will help you. Okay, so it will enhance your ability. Okay, suppose there are adapt software is also there. Okay, for pre-stress. Okay, for another purpose also, Tekla, NCs. Okay, for finite element analysis. So different softwares are available. Okay, ETAPS is best for the RCC. Okay, not only better. ETAPS is better than StatPro normally. You learn, okay, those who have learned StatPro, they will get it is very easy. Okay, I think just you should know the concept. Same thing. So I will give some basic example. Okay, you are having scooty of brand of TVS company. Okay, or Honda or another company. Okay, so whatever the function will be same, just body will be different. Okay, the presentation, stylish body of Honda. Okay, so another brand of having another, they are having presentation, different colors like that. Okay, all the software like that in AutoCAD also. I think there is a ZWCAD is also there. Okay, so like that number of okay, they are like brand only. Okay, चलो अभी हम क्या करते हैं, पहला स्टेप हो गया. फर्स्ट स्टेप यू हैव कंप्लीट द डिफाइनिंग मटेरियल एंड सेक्शन प्रॉपर्टी. ओके, आफ्टर दैट स्टेप इज ड्रॉ इट. ओके, व्हाटएवर वी हैव डिफाइंड, बीम साइजेस, कॉलम साइजेस, slab sizes, everything what we have defined it, we have to apply. Okay, so how to apply? Just basic. I can show this or this, no issue. The basic. Just first step is just go here. Okay, first step you have to follow. Okay, draw the column. Just first step is apply. Yeah, it's taking here. Okay, just I will explain column B, floor, wall. Okay, why it was not showing? Because there are number of windows in ETAP. Okay, just by default it goes from here to here. Okay, we change it like that. Okay, suppose first step is draw column. Another step is draw beam. After that, load. Okay. After that, applying the load is the first step. Okay. In the same way, okay, these blue colors are the symbol of column, you know. Okay. Okay, these are the symbol of shear wall. We will be explaining where to use shear wall, where to use column. Okay, we will be explaining orientation of column. Okay, different position, what will affect. Okay, these red are the shear walls. For high rise, we prefer shear wall because it is having more resistance to the lateral structure. Okay, lateral load, not lateral structure. Means earthquake wind को ज्यादा इकोनॉमिक रहता है, better than column. So अभी हम देखेंगे what we were explaining. Okay, just draw column beam slab is over. After that, in the same way for high rise, I am explaining you. Okay, just in the same way for all the project, you will be following the same thing. Okay, wall. Just suppose column B, wall, floor. Okay, first step column. Okay, second step B, you can take wall. Wall is nothing but that is shear wall. Okay, floor. Okay, then applying the load, you should go for the load. Then we have to take the load. We have to apply wall load. Okay, how to apply this load, dead load or SIDL. Okay, how to calculate it. Okay, then okay, there will be SIDL. After that, how to apply floor load. Okay, importance of that, how to check from IS code. Importance of that, everything like that. Okay, then after that, ये हो गया आपका अप्लाई करना. Okay, in the same way we can apply in high rise. Just I am showing that to interact with these models. Okay, so after that applying load is over, then you have to go for the analyze. No, after that defining of different, okay, different loads. Okay, after that load combination. Okay, different high rise concept. Okay, different response spectrum, P delta, everything. Okay, importance of pier label, how to assign shear wall, everything we will be explaining to you. Okay, then design of model according to design code, performing design check. Okay, preparing scheduling of each structure element. So after that, suppose we can apply load on ETAP. Okay, ETAP do not design slab. We have to export the data in SAFE. Okay, for that some consultancy they use Excel sheet. So we will be discussing about the Excel sheet, how to use it. Okay, it is very easy. Okay, we are having number of Excel sheet. Okay, no issue. This is not only one, we are having 4-5 Excel sheets. Okay, in our course we are giving free. Okay, all the material. Okay, we are having loading on structure, one-way slab. After that, different Excel sheet. Okay, so this is about the staircase. We will be discussing about the staircase in Excel sheet. Okay, just we will be telling how to use it. Different Excel sheets are there. Loading on structure, how to apply wind load. There are two methods to apply wind load in structure. For the low rise structure, or we can go for this force coefficient method. Okay, for high rise it is preferable. Okay, इसके बाद भी होता है high rise के लिए गस फैक्टर बोल के होता है. तो ठीक है, वो डिस्कस नहीं करेंगे अभी इतना ही सफिशिएंट है. चलो अभी और क्या पॉइंट बताना है. ओके, प्रिपेयरिंग शेड्यूल मीन्स हम इस तरह आपको बताएंगे इतना कोई भी आपको नहीं बताएगा, जैसा कि हाउ टू मेक कॉलम शेड्यूल। ओके, सारा एनालाइज होने के बाद, डिजाइन होने के बाद किस तरह आपका बिल्डिंग का बिहेवियर होता। ओके, कॉलम शेड्यूल, बीम शेड्यूल आपको G+3 का बता दिया जाएगा। सबके लिए वही होता है, नंबर ऑफ बार्स गिनना वगैरह सेम ही है, आरएज में कोई अलग नहीं होने वाला, बस आपका मेथड परफेक्ट होना चाहिए। ओके, स्लैब शेड्यूल ये चीजें आपको बता देंगे, ठीक है। फिर और उसके बाद जैसा कि ये पूरा आपका हो गया मॉडलिंग, तो आप एनालाइज में, हाँ इसके अंदर आप एनालाइज में जाइए। तो इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ नंबर ऑफ कंसेप्ट आर दियर, कौन कौन से कंसेप्ट है, जैसा कि प्रीलिमिनरी साइजेस ऑफ कॉलम एंड बीम कैसा लेना चाहिए, मॉडलिंग ऑफ कॉलम एंड बीम, असाइनिंग ऑफ लोड, शेयर फोर्स बेंडिंग मोमेंट डायग्राम का क्या इंपॉर्टेंस है। ओके, हाउ टू चेक शेयर फोर्स बेंडिंग मोमेंट डायग्राम इन सिंपली सपोर्टेड बीम, फिक्स्ड बीम, कैंटिलीवर बीम, उसका सिग्निफिकेंस कैसा है। ओके, फिर उसके बाद एक्सियल फोर्स कैसा रहेगा। ओके, कॉलम बीम रिजल्ट कैसे रहेंगे, मॉडल एनालिसिस क्या रहेगा, और ओके मास सोर्स क्या होता है, रिस्पॉन्स स्पेक्ट्रम एनालिसिस क्या होगा बताएंगे, बेस शेयर का इंपॉर्टेंस बताएंगे। ओके, मॉडल मास पार्टिसिपेशन का बताएंगे, ठीक है। तो नंबर ऑफ कंसेप्ट विल बी डिस्कसिंग। ओके, बड़ा धमाका विद स्मॉल प्राइस, ऐसा ही कुछ रहेगा। आप यू विल बी हैप्पी आफ्टर डूइंग दिस कोर्स। ओके, सम कंसेप्ट लाइव लोड रिडक्शन फैक्टर हाई राइज में हम यूज करेंगे, पी डेल्टा इफेक्ट कैसा अप्लाई करना, प्रॉपर्टी मॉडिफायर क्या होता है, इसका सिग्निफिकेंस क्या होगा। ओके, जैसा फॉर एग्जांपल मैंने शायद यहाँ पर कहीं लगाया होगा, आप देख सकते हो। सपोज मैं आपको ये स्ट्रक्चर बताता हूँ, शायद कहीं लगाया होगा प्रॉपर्टी मॉडिफायर। not responding। तो बस आपको दिखेगा, कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है वो, जस्ट वेट इट। ओके, ठीक है, चलो छोटे में देखते हैं, कहीं मैंने लगाया होगा। ओके, प्रॉपर्टी मॉडिफाई एक अच्छा कंसेप्ट है, सारी चीजें हम बताएंगे, तो उतना बड़ी बात भी नहीं है। ओके, तो वो क्या होता है, डॉटेड ऐसा होता है कि अगर आपका बीम है तो यहाँ पर हम ऐसा प्रॉपर्टी मॉडिफायर लगाते हैं, तो उसका इम्पोर्टेंस क्या है, एंड रिलीजेस। ओके, वेट, हाँ सॉरी, इट इज एंड रिलीजेस। ओके, नॉट प्रॉपर्टी मॉडिफायर, property modifier is another concept. Okay, so that type of releases. Okay, I am discussing about the releases. Okay, for property modifier it is given value in IS code 0.7, 0.35 or something. Okay, for beam, okay, for slab, for column it is given. We will be discussing in HRS project. Okay, that is end releases. Okay, importance of that, उससे क्या होता है वो चीज हम डिस्कस करेंगे। स्केलिंग ऑफ बेस शेयर इंपॉर्टेंस क्या है हम आपको बताएंगे। ओके, लोड केसेस, लोड कॉम्बिनेशन, लॉन्जिट्यूडनल बार। ओके, फिर बहुत सारे कंसेप्ट है जो आपको बताएंगे। ओके, ये सारे आईएस कोडल चेक आपको चेक करना होता है, स्टोरी शेयर है, स्टोरी ड्रिफ्ट है, स्टोरी स्टीफनेस है, मॉडल मास पार्टिसिपेशन है। ओके, तो ये सारे चीज आपको चेक करोगे तो अभी देखो यहाँ पर से आप इसके अंदर आप चेक कर सकते हो, शेयर फोर्स, बेंडिंग मोमेंट डायग्राम, इसका इंपॉर्टेंट सिग्निफिकेंस क्या है। शायद आप कहीं वीडियोस वगैरह देखेंगे तो उसका, लेकिन इतना इम्पोर्टेंट कैसा क्यों लेना है, इसका सिग्निफिकेंस क्या है, इम्पोर्टेंस क्या है। ओके, तो मोमेंट 3 क्यों लिया जाता है, शेयर 2 क्यों लिया जाता है, इसका सिग्निफिकेंस क्या है। ठीक है, ये हम चीजें देख सकते हैं। ठीक है, बहुत सारी चीजें हैं इसके अंदर, ऐसा नहीं है कि इतना ही है। ओके, अभी और भी कंसेप्ट मुझे बताना था कि अभी देखो इसके अंदर एक मॉडल मास का एक कंसेप्ट है कि आईएस कोड बोलता है सपोज जो भी आपने शेयर वॉल कॉलम लोकेशन किया है तो उसकी वजह से बिल्डिंग का बिहेवियर कैसा होना चाहिए। ओके, नंबर ऑफ मोड्स, हाउ टू डिसाइड। ओके, बिहेवियर, फर्स्ट 2 मोड शुड बी इन टर्न द ट्रांसलेशनल मोशन। ओके, टॉर्शन इज अलाउड इन द थर्ड मोड। इंपॉर्टेंस कैसा है, क्या क्या होना है, टाइम पीरियड कैसा होना चाहिए, फ्रीक्वेंसी क्या होना चाहिए। ओके, नंबर ऑफ मोड कैसा डिसाइड करते हैं। ओके, जो एमटेक के हैं उनको पता होगा शायद, जिन्होंने किया। ओके, देखो इससे बिहेवियर आपका पता यहाँ चलता है। ओके, नंबर ऑफ थिंग्स यू कैन चेक। ओके, ये आपको देखो एनिमेशन के साथ दिखता है आपको बिल्डिंग का। फिर इसके बाद हम लोकेशन ऑफ कॉलम, शेयर वॉल वगैरह कर सकते हैं। देखो कभी कभी ऐसा कंडीशन आती है कि आप यूज कर रहे हैं, एबनॉर्मल कंडीशन से क्या होना है। ठीक है, ऐसे कुछ पॉइंट्स हम डिस्कस करेंगे, इसीलिए मैंने 2-3 फाइल ओपन करके रखा है क्योंकि मुझे पता है। ठीक है, चलो ये कंसेप्ट थे, आपको बताना था, डिस्कस करना था। फिर देखेंगे जिसको शायद लाइक हुआ, समझ में आया। और एक ये अपना ब्राउज़र भी था, करेक्ट है ना, मैंने शायद लिख रखा था। ठीक है, अभी तो इतना समझाने की शायद ज़रूरत नहीं है, मैंने एक्सप्लेन कर दिया। ठीक है, बेसिक चीज़ें देखो, ये सिलेबस आपको दिया गया है, मोस्टली सारा पोर्शन आपको कवर किया जाएगा। जो भी मिड राइज हाई राइज का जो भी था कंसेप्ट है, 2-3 प्रोजेक्ट्स लिया जाएंगे, G+2, G+3, ओके, और G+26। ओके, हम 2-3 प्रोजेक्ट्स लेंगे और एक दो अगर हुआ तो आपको प्रैक्टिस के लिए दे देंगे, तो आपके सारे कंसेप्ट क्लियर हो जाएंगे। ठीक है, सारे मोस्टली ज़्यादा कवर किया जाएगा पूरा सिलेबस। ओके, तो आप देख सकते हो कुछ प्रोजेक्ट्स पे जिस पे मैंने काम किया उसके कुछ स्क्रीनशॉट्स मैंने लगाए हैं। ओके, उसके बाद अब ये यूनिफॉर्म ग्रिड स्पेसिंग, जिसको अभी हम फर्स्ट लेक्चर में बताएंगे, तो बस मैं और लेक्चर लेना सोच रहा था कि कैसा पढ़ाते हैं ईटैब्स को, कैसा किया जाता है, तो वो हम सेशन में ही लेंगे। इंट्रोडक्शन दे दिया गया है आपको। ठीक है, किसी को कोई डाउट है तो चैट बॉक्स में आप लोग बोल सकते हैं। ठीक है, चैट बॉक्स में बोलिए। ओके,
प्लीज टेल मी डायनेमिक एनालिसिस।
हाँ बताएंगे, अभी नहीं बताएंगे, अभी सिर्फ इंट्रोडक्शन है। ओके साकिब, जो भी है आप मुझे पर्सनली कॉल करो, मेरा नंबर ले लो। ओके,
सर बताइए सर नंबर।
हाँ मुझे कॉल कीजिए, और कुछ डाउट है तो मैं आपको करूँगा। ओके, ठीक है, अभी ये सिर्फ इंट्रोडक्शन है, और जो भी आपको क्वेश्चंस है आप चैट बॉक्स में बोलिए। ओके, अभी आप सीख तो लो ना पहले, इसमें अभी ज्यादा रिजल्ट्स वगैरह एक्यूरेट ही होते हैं ईटैब्स के। जो भी
सर आई
हाँ,
हैव ऑलरेडी बेसिक इंफॉर्मेशन ऑफ द टिप्स।
ओके, आपको नॉलेज है क्या ईटैब्स की?
यस सर, यस।
ओके, कोई बात नहीं, मैं आपको डिटेल में बताऊंगा आपको कोर्स ज्वाइन करना चाहिए नहीं करना है। ओके, आप जिसको जो जो इंटरेस्टेड है चैट बॉक्स में क्या, ओके, नहीं बस डायरेक्ट आप क्या करो, मेरा नंबर ले लो। ओके,
यस सर।
yeah, we will be explaining in our next session. We will be conducting the next session for the SAFE and RCDC or SAFE. Yeah, we will be telling. No, we are not teaching how to work in Excel. Dekho, if you have done in Triple C, they have shown the how to use Excel. Okay, normally we are having Excel sheet. I will tell you how to use it. Okay, how to use it. Okay, how to prepare, I will not explain. Okay, because we are not having that much time. It is basic, or if you are having facing problem in how to make a Excel sheet, normally go to book and take a some example from RCC design. Just follow the steps of the Excel sheet, how to make a Excel means how to take the data in the Excel. So you will able to make it. Okay, Deepak sir, are you there?
Yes, I'm
May I
here.
know? Okay, I think the number
Okay,
of students
everyone. तो आपको समझ में आया?
कैसा टीचिंग है, कैसा हमने बताया?
ओके, अगर आपको समझ में आया है और अगर आप ज्वाइन करना चाहते हैं तो मैं दोबारा से आपको प्रोसेस बता देता हूँ कि आपको ज्वाइन कैसे करना है। आपको मेरी एंड्रॉइड ऐप डाउनलोड करनी है, दीपक वर्मा के नाम से। आप